Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to get started with React 3 Fiber. So if you don't know what is React 3 Fiber, so React 3 Fiber is an implementation of threejs in React.js. So it makes very easy for us to implement threejs stuff with React. So React has a working style called JSX, and it makes all the APIs of threejs compatible with React 3 Fiber. You can learn more about it on the React 3 Fiber documentation. So I'm using nextjs for this website and I will use React 3 Fiber with it. So yeah, let's get started. So here as you can see inside the output, like I have drawn this with the help of React 3 Fiber. First what you have to do is I have created nextjs, but if you are interested you can use create react app, or I don't know, gatsby.js or remix, whatever you prefer. But yeah, I'm using nextjs. First of all, inside package.json you will need to add 3, which is threejs, as well as React 3 Fiber. And in dev dependency I have added types for 3 as well as this lil GUI. Next what you have to do is first you will have to go to CSS, go to global-css. so the root will remain the same. In HTML, add this HTML body if not already present, and refactor it to something like this. Okay, and everything, this part I have commented it out. Next, inside page module.css I have commented out the style. Next, for page.tsx you will have to define canvas over here, and inside canvas you will see lot of properties like GL, which has anti-alias to true. You can set the tone mapping as well. You can set the cameras FOV, near, far, position, whatever you want. And this my canvas is a separate component, like a custom React component which I have created. Now what I would recommend is that create this canvas inside a parent component, because inside this my canvas, if you are trying to use frame, this can be used only within canvas component. So whatever is your parent component which is encapsulating my canvas should have this canvas from React 3 Fiber, otherwise you won't be able to use the use frame. Okay, next what I have done is that I have imported all these things. First I have done extends orbit controls, because I want to use orbit controls but they are not directly available in React 3 Fiber. That's why you have to use this extend keyword, but while using it you have to make sure the O is small. Okay, here you can see the O is capital, but while using it should be small. I don't know why this is showing some error, maybe some linting issue. But here I have then taken camera as well as GL, and I have created some refs like cube refs and a group ref, and I'm using this use frame. You can animate anything, so don't animate using use state, because that could cause performance issues and unnecessary re-rendering. That's why better to use frame. And here you can see I'm changing the rotation, so that's why these elements are getting rotated. Next, here I have just defined orbit controls, like the orbit controls is just for your changing your camera. Next, I have defined some ambient light. Next, I have taken a group, and inside group you can add multiple meshes as well as geometry. So here you can see I have defined one mesh. It has a geometry as well as material. It has geometry and material. Same here, I have defined some mesh. It has geometry and material. You don't need to define mesh inside a group, but if you remember, we had defined some group in threejs as well, and inside that group we were adding our mesh. That's why I have taken this group. Next, this, as you can see, this mesh is outside the group. This is for plane geometry, so the plane which you see, and the red color mesh which you see is like a custom object which I have created. So if you go over here, as you can see, I have created another ref, and here I am using use memo to calculate the positions, and inside use effect I am just calling compute vertex normal. This is same like buffer geometry, buffer attribute, and mesh basic material. Here you will have to use the attach property, because if you remember in threejs, whenever we were trying to change the position, we would use something like geometry dot attributes dot position, right? And here you will have to use something like attach equal to attributes dash position. So in threejs you would use something like this, but in React 3 Fiber you would use something like this. Next, here I have also shown you how to animate the camera if you are interested in it. So here I will comment out the orbit controls, and here as you can see my camera is moving as well, but I will uncomment this for now. What else? I think that should be it. Like it is if you know threejs, I think you will quickly get up and running with React 3 Fiber, provided that you know React JS as well. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.